Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. On Thursday, March 20, 2025, President Donald Trump signed an executive order directing Education Secretary Linda McMahon to initiate the dismantling of the U.S. Department of Education. This move aims to transfer educational authority back to state and local governments, fulfilling a long-standing objective among conservatives who argue that education policy should be locally controlled. Established as a cabinet-level agency in 1979, the Department of Education employs approximately 4,400 individuals and operates with a $79 billion budget. Its responsibilities include administering federal funding to schools and higher education institutions, managing student loans and aid, and enforcing accountability standards. The executive order mandates that essential services such as Pell Grants, Title I funding for low-income schools, and resources for special education continue during the transition. While the complete elimination of the department requires congressional approval, the administration has already implemented significant staff reductions and operational downsizing. Legal challenges are anticipated from state attorneys general and teachers' unions who express concerns about the potential impact on vulnerable student populations. Critics argue that dismantling the department could disrupt the distribution of federal funds and impair services for disadvantaged students, thereby exacerbating educational inequities. Proponents of the measure assert that it remedies federal overreach and empowers local entities to tailor education policies to their community's specific needs. They contend that reducing bureaucratic oversight will foster innovation and improve educational outcomes. The executive order also stipulates that any remaining Department of Education funds must not advance diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives or gender ideology, reflecting the administration's intent to reshape educational priorities. In summary, President Trump's executive order to dismantle the Department of Education represents a significant shift in the U.S. educational policy, aiming to decentralize control and redefine the federal government's role in education. The outcome of this initiative will depend on legislative actions and the resolution of ensuing legal disputes.